Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall vehicle software on your YOUCANIC scanner. This can be done to free up space if there's a vehicle that you know you're never going to scan. And it also makes updates go a lot faster. What you're going to want to do first is go to Diagnostic, and you're going to press and hold down on any of the options. If you're not looking for American models, you can also go to All and scroll through, or you can go and select from any of these other regions available. We're going to stick with America. You're going to press this X, and that will delete the software. So we'll go ahead and delete a couple of these. Okay. Once the software that you want removed has been deleted from the Diagnostics tab, you're going to go to Updates, and this might take a while for all of the updates to load in. Once all updates have loaded in, you're going to see the vehicle software that you just removed from the Diagnostics tab. You do not want to select Update All because that will just reinstall the vehicle software. Instead, you're going to go to Ignore Update, and you're going to find the vehicles that you uninstalled from the Diagnostics tab. And then you're going to press Exit. Now you can go ahead and run updates as normal, and those vehicles will not be reinstalled. As you can see, the vehicles that we have uninstalled have not reappeared on this list. So now, if you go back to Diagnostics, they will not be on the list, and you can run updates as normal. Go ahead and select Update All and run all available updates, and then you'll be good to go. If you run into any trouble during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.